Most people download Brigit expecting instant emergency cash with zero complications. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Brigit can be useful for some users, but it's definitely not perfect for everyone. Many people sign up without understanding the subscription costs, approval requirements, or how the app decides who qualifies. Some users love it because it helps them avoid overdraft fees. Others cancel within days because they realize they don't actually qualify for advances after paying for the membership. In this video, I'll give you an honest Brigit Cash Advance review for 2026. Explain how the app works, who it's best for, and whether it's actually legit or just overhyped. Let's get straight into it. Brigit is a cash advance app designed to help users access small amounts of money before payday. Let's say Alex gets paid next Friday, but his electric bill is due today. Brigit may offer a short-term advance to help cover that gap without using a traditional payday loan. One reason Brigit became popular is its overdraft prediction system. The app monitors account balances and can warn users before they run low on funds. The biggest advantage is convenience. For people with stable income and active bank accounts, Brigit can feel much easier than applying for traditional short-term loans. But here's the problem. Brigit usually requires a paid monthly membership to access cash advances and premium features. A lot of users don't realize this until after downloading the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Approval is not based mainly on credit scores. Instead, Brigit focuses heavily on banking behavior, deposit consistency, and account health. For example, Jake may have average credit, but if his account shows regular deposits and fewer overdrafts, his approval chances improve significantly. This is where most people fail. They connect bank accounts with unstable balances or inconsistent activity and expect immediate approval for large advances. Brigit's system is designed to detect financial risk automatically. Another thing users should know is that instant transfers may involve additional fees depending on the delivery speed selected. Small fees may not sound serious once, but repeated borrowing every month can become expensive fast. In a minute, I'll explain who should actually use Brigit and who should avoid it completely. Brigit works best for users with predictable income who occasionally need small emergency advances between paychecks. If John suddenly needs money for groceries, gas, or a utility bill, the app can provide short-term flexibility. But if someone already struggles with constant overdrafts or relies on advances every single paycheck cycle, Brigit may only create temporary relief instead of solving the real problem. So, is Brigit legit in 2026? Yes, Brigit is a legitimate cash advance app used by many people to manage short-term cash shortages. The app is simple, beginner-friendly, and focused more on account activity than credit scores. But the membership costs, approval limits, and repayment timing are important factors users should understand before signing up. If this honest Brigit review helped you decide whether the app is actually worth using, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think Brigit is legit or overhyped in 2026.